Hi guys, I want to show you this cardigan from Pretty Garden that I found on Amazon because I think it's going to be one of my favorite pieces this fall. It's a chunky knit sweater made from a soft cotton and acrylic blend, so it's warm and cozy without feeling heavy or stiff. It has a classic crew neck and open front and these gold buttons that really add a nice pop of color and make it feel a little more elevated. I also love that it has two side pockets and they're actually functional, not just for looks. The fit is relaxed and slightly oversized, so there's plenty of room to layer a t-shirt or even a camisole underneath if you want. I'm wearing a size medium here and I usually wear a medium, so I'd say it's true to size. The brand also comes in a lot of different sizes from small all the way up to extra extra large, and it comes in a bunch of different colors too, so there's a good chance you'll find the perfect one to match your style. It's recommended to hand wash it and it holds up really well. Now let me show you how I like to wear it. This cardigan is so easy to style. You can pair it with leggings for a cozy casual look, throw it over jeans for something a little more put together, or even wear it with pants for the office or running errands. It really works for almost any outfit. One of my favorite things about it is the front pocket, because if I don't want to carry a purse with me, I can just put my keys and my phone right in there and go. It's perfect for those cooler fall days, whether you're out running errands, meeting friends, or just want something comfortable and cute to throw on. I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out for yourself. Also, this would make such a thoughtful gift for anyone on your list who loves cozy, oversized sweaters. I've gotten so many compliments every time I wear it, and the quality really feels impressive. Definitely a great addition to your fall wardrobe.